Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn and Share. In today's video, I'm going to introduce to you one of the most powerful and easy to use tools out there, and that is Google Drive. Whether you are a student, a teacher, or anyone looking to stay organized, Google Drive is here to help you store, share, and collaborate on all your files in just one place. And also a very handy tool for backing up your files online. Alright, let's get to it. So what is Google Drive? What exactly is Google Drive? It is a cloud storage service, actually, meaning you can store all your documents, photos, videos, and other files online. That means no more worrying about losing important files or running out of space on your computer. Plus, you can access your files from anywhere on your laptop, phone, or even tablet. So how do you access Google Drive? Very simple and easy. Getting started with Google Drive is super easy. Let me show you how to access it. You can access Google Drive by visiting the drive.google.com or by clicking the Google Drive icon in your Google Apps. All you need is a Google account and you are ready to go. Let's look briefly at the basic features of Google Drive. Once you're inside Google Drive, you will see it's very simple to navigate. Let me walk you through the basic features. Let's start with My Drive. This is your personal storage space. Everything you upload or create will show up here. You can organize your files into folders just like on your computer. Then we have the Shared With Me. Under Shared With Me, you'll find all the files and folders other people have shared with you. It's a great way to collaborate on projects or share resources with your team or classmates. And then under the Recent tab is where you will find the files you've accessed most recently, so you can quickly pick up where you left off, and that is easy peasy, like you can see. So how do we upload and create files on Google Drive? Okay, now let's upload some files and create new documents right in Google Drive. Uploading files, let's upload a file. Just click on the new button and select File Upload. You can also upload entire folders if you want to keep everything organized. Creating new files is also another part. You can also create new files directly in Google Drive. Click New, then choose from Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, or Google Forms, whatever you prefer. These are Google's versions of Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Perfect for creating documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. How about sharing and collaborating? Isn't it amazing as well? So, and it's one of the best things about Google Drive is how easy it is to share and collaborate on files. Let me show you how. To share a file, just right click on it and select Share. You can then enter the email address of the person you want to share it with. You can also choose their access level, whether they can view, comment, or edit the file. Alright. Once shared, you can collaborate in real time, meaning you and your team can work on the same file simultaneously, see each other's changes, and even leave comments or suggestions. Alright, can you access Google Drive on any device? Definitely yes. And also, here's the best part, that you can access Google Drive from any device. Just download the Google Drive app on your phone or tablet and you'll have all your files at your fingertips, whether you're in the classroom, at home, or on the go. In the next video, I will also show you how to download and install a Google Drive on your PC or Mac, and also how to sync your computer such that with Google Drive, such that all your files can automatically be saved on Google Drive without you even uploading it. Okay, and there you have it, a quick introduction to Google Drive, whether you're using it to share personal files, organize classroom materials, or collaborate on group projects. Google Drive is an incredibly powerful tool. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Learn and Share for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.